Hello friends, this is Kedi and you are watching Learning and Sharing with Kedi. In last video we have seen how to connect database using SQLize. In this video we are going to create one sample API to show how you can get data from table. So let's first add some data in our table. I have created one dummy record over here. I will just change this Suhas. This Suhas at the rate. Taking copy of that. Now there are two records in my table. Now I want to get all those records from there are two records present in the users table. Now I want to get all the users registered in users table. So how we can achieve this? By using Nodejs. So here is a get method. So I will name it get users. So let's declare one variable over here, data equal to await db dot user dot find all. For await we have to write here async. If you don't know how async await works, then no need to worry about it. I will going to explain what is async await and how you can use this in detail in upcoming videos. So here we have written one variable over a data and await for db users find all. The find all method is from SQLize. It will collect all the user data, all the registered users data from users table. So here we have used db or variable over here. We have declared db variable as a constant at the top from models. Here we have declared that variable for SQLize. Okay, so through that variable we are now accessing this model. It will return all the user registered in the table. Let's send respond as JSON user details colon data. Just save it. It will auto restart the code. How to auto restart Node.js code? We have already seen our last video. That link I have put it in the description box. So let's test this get user API through Postman. And it is get method, so you can test through browser itself. So just this our server is running on 3000 port, localhost 3000 slash our API name get users. It will directly return the JSON data from the table users. So get user method returning two records, two objects. First one is Kedar, second one is was from our users table. So let's add new user Now let's check whether our API is working properly or not. Now there are 3 records. So when we are going to refresh this get user API method, it will return 3 records from users table. Thanks for watching this video. In next video we are going to see how to create data using SQLize. So keep watching these videos, and thanks for watching. Keep watching, learning and sharing with KD. Thank you.